Hello and welcome. If you saw our last video about getting started with AI, you know I'm passionate about helping seniors like us navigate this exciting AI digital world. But today we're going beyond just getting started. Today we're unlocking something truly transformative. I've discovered that retirement doesn't mean retiring your brain, it means finally having the time to build something truly your own. No bosses, no schedules except the ones you choose, and best of all, sharing the wisdom you've spent a lifetime accumulating. My name is Mike, I'm 70 years of age, and if you've ever watched younger online creators and thought, I have decades more experience than them, but where would I even begin? Please know you're not alone. And more importantly, you're exactly in the right place. Your lifetime of experience is about to become your most valuable digital asset. The age advantage. You know, we often hear that age is just a number, but in the digital world, I've realised your age is actually your secret superpower. Let me explain why. Think about everything you've accomplished: raising families, building careers, maintaining homes, navigating relationships, solving countless daily problems. That's not just life experience, that's decade of real world problem solving that no AI can replicate and no 20-year-old can claim. While younger creators are learning basic life skills, you've already mastered them. The challenge isn't that you don't know enough, it's that you might not realise how valuable what you already know truly is. Here's the mindset shift that changed everything for me. The secret to success online isn't learning new tricks, it's packaging your old wisdom in new ways. Your knowledge about growing perfect tomatoes, managing household budgets, preserving family traditions, or even that simple repair hack that saved you thousands. That's pure gold in today's digital marketplace. The three pillar framework. Now, let me share the simple three pillar framework I wish I'd known when I started. This has been my roadmap from confusion to clarity. Pillar one, your knowledge vault. Every solution you've discovered, every skill you've mastered, every lesson life taught you the hard way, that's not just memory, that's intellectual property waiting to be shared. Here's a practical exercise. Pause this video for just 30 seconds and ask yourself, what's one problem I've solved multiple times throughout my life that others might still be struggling with? It could be anything from organising a pantry to understanding insurance paperwork to growing herbs in small spaces. Pillar 2, AI as your digital apprentice. This is where many seniors get nervous, but let me reframe it. Instead of thinking AI as complicated technology, imagine it as the most patient, knowledgeable apprentice you've ever had. One that works 24/7, never gets tired, never argues, and remembers everything you teach it. Let me share a real example. My friend Barbara, who's 76, combined her 50 years of knitting experience with ChatGPT to create a unique pattern book she now sells online. She told me, Mike, it's like having the most brilliant grandchild who types faster than I can think and never gets bored of my stories. Pillar 3, the consistency compound effect. This is where the real magic happens. I call it the weekly whisper. The power of showing up consistently with small, valuable insights rather than trying to create viral masterpieces. It's about steady progress, not overnight success. Beyond the basics, income streams. Now let's talk about turning that wisdom into genuine income. While we covered basic affiliate marketing last time, I want to share three often overlooked opportunities that are particularly perfect for seniors. 1. Digital memory keeping. Use AI to help preserve and share family recipes, local history, traditional crafts, or life's lessons that might otherwise be lost. There are people willing to pay to learn skills that were common in our generation but are becoming rare today. 2. Grandparent wisdom subscriptions. Create a simple monthly newsletter or private Facebook group where you share life's lessons, old-fashioned solutions, or historical perspectives. Younger generations are actually hungry for this grounded wisdom in our fast-paced world. 3. Niche coaching. Offer 30-minute video calls where you help people solve very specific problems in your area of expertise. The key is niching down. Instead of gardening advice, offer container gardening for apartment dwellers over 60. your first 30-day action plan. I know this can feel overwhelming, so let me give you a stress-free, step-by-step plan for your first month. Week 1, Discovery. Just identify your core wisdom area. What do people naturally come to you for advice about? Week 2, Brainstorm. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 content ideas around that topic. I'll show you exactly how in our next video. Week 3, Creation. Create just one piece of content, a short video, a blog post, or even a detailed social media post. Week 4, Sharing. Post it in one relevant online community and engage with any comments. Remember, the goal here isn't perfection, it's progress. Every piece you create is another brick in building your digital legacy. Here's what I want you to remember. This journey isn't about becoming a tech expert or chasing viral fame. It's about something much more meaningful, becoming what I call a digital elder, someone who uses modern tools to share timeless wisdom. Think about this for a moment. In a world that's drowning in information but starving for real wisdom, your hard-earned perspective is literally priceless. AI just gives you the megaphone to share it with people who desperately need what you've spent a lifetime learning. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's one piece of wisdom you have that you wish you could share with 1,000 people? Maybe it's a parenting insight, a money-saving trick, a relationship lesson, or something else entirely. Drop it in the comments below. Let's work together to create what might be the wisest comment section on YouTube. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. I'll be adding a very handy freebie to the description box below. There'll be no charge whatsoever for this. It'll be completely free to show my appreciation of you. Finally, remember my friend, your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting to be shared with the world. Thank you for watching. I'm Mike, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.